And today we're checking out PathPro, a platform that combines feedback collection and project management to help you develop products people actually want to use. Packed with the best features from feedback collection tools like Frill and Canny and popular project management tools like Asana and Trello, PathPro streamlines the entire project development pipeline from day one. Customers will be able to submit feedback, leave comments, and vote on new features and ideas. Speaking of new features, customers can request features right from your website using the dedicated feedback button. Your project admin will then get an email notification for every new feature request. Plus, they'll be able to review them all in one place. Each submission includes the submitter, their request, a timestamp, and the project it relates to. After reviewing the request, you can send it over to production or ask your product's community members to validate the idea with a quick vote. They'll be able to leave comments or suggestions and upvote the request. PathPro's algorithm will automatically rank them all in order of highest demand. No product is complete without a roadmap. Like literally. That's why PathPros lets you create a public one for your website and a private one for internal teams. With this, you can manage tasks behind the scenes and keep your customers up to date on key milestones without pulling back the curtain. Or you can make certain tasks public, letting customers leave suggestions for your team and upvote community feedback. Your project admin can then highlight the good ideas for your developers. PathPro also helps you give credit where credit is due. With a quick shout out, you'll make customers feel valuable and more invested in your product than ever before. You can also give some love to your team members to keep spirits high. Once a piece of your roadmap's been completed, you'll add it to a release note, triggering an automatic email notification to subscribers. Here's what your customers will see. They'll get updates on specific tasks and features, comments, and all the feature data, so they can stay involved at every stage of your product's evolution, including archived releases. They can also use release notes to engage with your team and ask questions. Get your product to market faster with PathPro's ultra-powerful hybrid platform. Click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access today.